Hey, they say politicians won. Politicians. I'm on your four. Jai. Uti we are see our own. We nyami firuwa. Nipa is also secondly your politicians. You see, Agric Minister can't send me. Now, in fact, assembly yamisri. I don't know why. But the whole thing is funny to me. Yes. When him say, Nkoko Nkitinkiti policy na President Mahama Bo Hunda Uru ebra no wo position no. Na a policy bia, to be very honest with you, ebe bua Ghanaians bebre. But Saudi when too form pa as a policy no. Womo omo ya adwuma no ye hu omo ye nti omo nka. E wo ane abema update. We are not seeing anything. You understand? I know say a lot of people will insult me. I like it. Mumfad their time number. Me cannot credit natural. You see, I dare say mu yema nipa hu ne physically no. Na ase mu ye ne kataso mu asu bi no ye hu ani so. And the Agric Minister abeka kire ye say Nkoko Nkitinkiti project. Some beneficiaries have consumed the best and are sending me videos. Agric Minister tells Parliament's Assurance Committee. Agric na said the Nkoko si Canada power comment section no. Me be na ma kire on ye Ghana for eka. You see, this government is doing well. But edru baby a munye open maye. Agric Ministry more official platform. Meboa, more official platform. More social media handles. Why don't you post some videos out for people to see and believe? You see, you people have to be different and look extraordinary. As I said, we are different. Now we look extraordinary from the MPP government. Me, I will not sit here and say that the Honorable Minister is lying. I cannot say that. Mint na hankase ni minister na kanobwa. Because me ninjina so ekresa asemo kanobwa. But me madwin chiramuno. Why don't you people share those videos for us to see? There be a Nkoko Nkitinkiti project. There are still people out there. Some of them cramping here poultry feed. Eli aye farming no ebi ni ho omunya. Nkoko no hum bed ho aye din a nkrofo nya. Enso da bia Agric Ministry be update yo musim Nkoko Nkitinkiti project no is ongoing. Nkrofo bi yen Nkoko no. Who are those people? How nkrofo no hwan mo mu nidin. Videos no mo send mam no yentimi hwabi. Ah? So wo ya dia na wa ya ne prekon. Papa kwesindum say pre papa prekon. So wo ya de palma ni pabo abaso a ye ne prekon. Just I mean, make it look neat and simple. You cannot just come and sit in Parliament House and come and say that, oh, beneficiaries now consuming best, no, almost say you're good, no, almost send you videos. Now I can trust her, and you expect people to believe you. I was watching, Sir Assurance Committee of Parliament, you understand? You people. As a moon said, you are putting a statement in place. Because Nkoko Nkitinkiti project now more can. Those people, we don't know them. Omu needy videos in to publish. As I'm talking to you, there are genuine people out there. They want to do poultry farming. No support behind the. There's no support coming from anywhere. How am I see a project, making it to look like, say, every Ghanaian can benefit from, every Ghanaian can do it as a policy, a major policy in this government, mobile power, and the whole thing is different. And different from the campaign, and there, so we met man support from government. Nkoko Nkitinkiti poultry farming, yeah. This obey breast, this what, ni pan bread before what penetrating inside. Oh yeah, as I'm talking to you now, you won't conform or what they desire to do, or more purpose or mobile. But when you make my faso, aquanya poultry feed, no aquanya sa chicken, any government support, no now a bread. And the policy, how are we doing it? You understand? Yen kind of crowd room how Ube NDC communicators binum to TV so defending this. Maybe defend this idea way. Ube NDC communicators be to TV so defending. NDC communicators be obey na TV so defend this idea way. On for video better. Me, me can some the video better me. I will sit here on my platform. This is a very big platform. I have thousands, 100,000s of people watching. I will sit here and apologize and retract my statement. You people should bring out the video before we make a fantastic attempt, before we kasatiame, before we defend this idea we will bring out the video. So the video about me, I'll retract my statement and delete this video. Share on Crofweka. See, GC say first time guinea fowls they flew to Burkina, second time Nkoko Nkitinkiti, the people use them for pepper soup. At least this one benefits us small. How we go do Ibrahim Al-Hassan say NDC with seriousness is like 6 and 9. T. Mohammed Ziblim say, so this time around, you see post in the war about 1,300 comments, 3,400 reactions. You cannot tell, and 99% of comments are every supposed to wear see air banner, a negative. Ultimate country will say, Omunina MPP for. They are floating voters, they are NDC for Mukasatia Sasem way. Fair, T comments on T. Nana Boatin say, at first it was a confirmed, now it's a Nkoko Nkitinkiti. NDC and Mwasem is like 5 and 6. Jerry said they are enjoying their share of the national cake. David said, let's eat what we grow. Me, I don't even have problem with say, yeah, we cook. Maybe this have problem, no. But, Minister, Nkoko person we are human, they don't get the opportunity. So who are those doing it? Why muna Nkoko Nkitinkiti no? Why muna muano? Who are those people? T. Nyunkunime say NDC is never serious in anything. Mbad say I love enter 24-hour economy. Benjamin said the future is pregnant. Brookman said domestic can grow what you eat. Hey, brother Benny. Parkway say consume as in eating. Well, at least this time around they did not fly to Burkina. Zachariah say videos of what? The way they chew the chicken. Azemu Malina says, so you wanted them to ref for others to consume? Azemu Abdallah says, Mr. Minister, there are some people who don't even get me to eat, so it's an opportunity for them. Azemu Victoria says, please, what were you expecting? You gave them broilers instead of layers. Noah said, this is a statement that shows Nkoko Nkitinkiti policy has failed. Kofi Ando said they have started that and Acrobat to say, hey, Ghana, my beloved country. Nkoko that was given to branch executives or the good people of Ghana. Or anybody said the usual story. Years ago, guinea fowl flew to Burkina and disappeared. And now bears are being eaten by farmers. Adwa Nima said they are eating Mohammed's biggest intervention. Isaac said never learning from past mistake to improve process for better. Prince Samuel said you will still see some fools defending this. Anyway, well, these are not my words. I just read comments for you. Say it's fine. It's fine. Me say, before you come and insult me or speak against this platform or do anything or defend this, just bring out the videos. Videos now, Minister Nika wants and bring it out. And you say who or more we don't know them. We want to see their faces. Because I know a lot of people are they are willing to do this job. They don't mind them. So who are those people? I know a lot of people in my DM project. They were willing to say a open program for every Ghanaian to apply. But deep down, and The thing adena kwakwaye to say so ni mobi. You understand? Sana adena kwaye. That's how the thing is. I say, I say, so ni mobi. There are lots of people in my DM every day who complaining. Me wo portrait found person me ye biu, but me kwa ha, yesi me kwa, me kwa, yesi me kwa, me kwa office yesi kwa. Just say, you say wa bre. Nti, why mu na yes adian? Why mu na yes Nkoko no? We want to see them. Who are those people? Why mu na yes Nkoko no? Who are those people? Me defending some gunu, da me. I don't defend rubbish. Me who no krena me catch it. So that's it. We free Honorable Agric Minister and Chen Eriko Poku and Chen. Just pass your comment. Stay blessed.